How's it go? When you gotta go?
I gotta go.
Welcome back to quarantine and social distancing the Swiss way. I'm obviously Nate Swiss. Today we're gonna put brakes on the front of this because it needs done and I haven't had time, but since everything's canceled, we're gonna friggin' put some brakes on the dang truck. So here we go. Okay, you're gonna want to go ahead and replace your brakes before you get that. Look at that. Let's focus that. Yeah, you want to replace your brakes before they get that bad. So you can see this rotor here is so much thinner than this side. It's bad. Probably not. Yeah, you want to replace your brakes before they look like that. These pads, yeah, they're junk. So don't let them get that bad. But there's your PSA. There's some others we did the other day. Don't let them get that bad either. That's bad. Don't do that. It's not monkey see, monkey do here. It's don't do that. Okay guys, so it's like a lot later in the day now. We went to the store and got my pads swapped out because little story, lifetime pads and rotors pay off when you have the ability to get them, right? You can get lifetime pads and rotors. I got them. I had to buy new hardware for here to make these work. Brand new rotors. Got my caliper up there, right? So this side looks okay. So we came to the other side to mess with it, and it's just been a whole fiasco, if you want to call it that. But so first problem we had was this lug nut, as you can see, was, let's focus on this lug nut, was a major issue right here. So yeah, we had to get it out. Come on now, there we go. That lug nut was all rounded off and became a problem. Well, then we get in here, and this hose, as you could see, or if you could sort of see, is all dry rotted, and it was leaking, and it's made this giant mess around everything. It's all a nasty mess. So then we took this hose off, and of course it broke off the line, which, as you can see, is leaking now profusely. So thankfully I had an entire set of stainless steel brake lines that I bought from the last time I worked on the truck, so we're going to swap that in. And then the hose that I ordered from the auto parts store to replace that hose that was bad, they sent me the wrong one, so we're just striking out here repeatedly. But that's how it goes sometimes when you're working on trucks. So we're taking it all in stride, and they're supposed to send me the right hose tomorrow, so we're going to try to put this brake line on and get it set down on the ground today, and we'll continue this project tomorrow. So yeehaw. Alright guys, day 45 of quarantine right now. We're getting ready to go to the store first time about 6
the store.
Shut! I didn't want your opinion! Going to the store. Freaking it. We're going to the store. We're going to get some parts for the truck because it's broken.
You don't break the truck.
Oh my gosh. Sometimes I wish it was quarantined just myself. The only person I had to talk to was my own brain. That's plenty of big enough a deal for me. Going to the freaking store. Get in the car, go to the store.
Take the race car.
Take me to the store! You know, they told me when somebody merges in traffic and they're in a big hurry, like if it's an ambulance or something, it's apparently called an emergency. Oh my gosh. Seen the other day, my girlfriend's got herself a new boyfriend, but here's the thing about that is that, well, I'm not going to say anything about it, but let's just say that every truck he's driving is a chicken truck, if you know what I'm saying. Yep, it'd be that way. But we're going to get some, oh, it's sleeting! We got sleet! Oh, ain't that neat. I started pulling in the dang parts store. I'm gonna get my parts today. Ordered wrong yesterday, but we're gonna get the parts because we can't put the truck back together today because it's a whole new day. Oh, there's cops back there!
No
We gotta be getting no burnouts. We was getting ready to do burnouts because we got my brake hose. We got my new brake hose. That's great. It's actually the correct one. I talked to all of my buddies at the shop, at the autos parts store. They're pretty pissed because they turned the hot dog joint that I never go to into a fish and wings place, and they didn't turn it into a go-kart dealership, and that kind of is unfortunate. So we're on it. Well, it's very unfortunate. There's an ambulance at Jimmy John's. I'm just giving y'all an update since y'all are up here stuck in quarantine. I had very important business to tend to. I had to get my parts. Yeah, that's all I got, so keep it tuned. We just got back to our house and there's someone at our house. I don't know whose car they are. They have a blue Civic. I don't know who you are with the blue Civic, but I really don't know who you are, so that's the main thing. But we just got back. I don't know if you can hear the salute. It's going. Well, it's raining. How are we supposed to work on trucks now?
I don't know. Grab an umbrella.
An umbrella? That's ridiculous. Alright, it's day three. Day three of working on the dang truck. As you can tell by my attire, it be warm. Whoa, son. It'd be warm. So, based upon the fact that it be warm, we're at day three. And here's the other funny thing is, they've multiplied. We'll have to do a thing about this thing later, but basically, Noah bought this truck yesterday, so he's a part of the second gen life now. So ironically, they're both apart and broken right now, but that's it. You know, it happens. So got the correct parts. It's not pouring rain and sleet and snows, so we're gonna get started. Here we go. Okay, everybody, it's the next day, and the truck's done. As you can see, the last times lapse, it was getting to be pretty empty when it was getting done. It was getting to be not empty, dark. I'm looking at a truck that's not empty that was empty yesterday, and I'm ironified. Yeah, I bled the brakes in the truck last night. I went to put some different wheels on it, but saving, and they don't fit, so kind of bummed. They're those wheels, but they don't fit, so we're not putting those on. So there you have it my way. Social distancing. Part 3 or whatever part it is. Yeah, let me know what you're doing for social distancing and tell me how that's going for you. Yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Leave a comment, tell me, just say yeehaw if you're still watching, and Otherwise, I'll be seeing y'all later. Take it easy.